Dear students, today we will learn the process in the parliament to make laws. And in the last video, we also learn what is lawmaking process and which are the two types of bills. In it, we learn two types of bills: money bill and ordinary bill. And in order to be converted into an act, the bill undergoes the following process. These two are the main two types of bills, but to convert these two bills in law, convert into an act or law, the bill needs to undergoes the following process. The process is there, and this process is in parliament, right? So we will go ahead. The first process is first reading, and here in the first video we learn this rough draft of the law is prepared initially. A rough draft is prepared, and after that the draft or outline is known as draft proposal of the law or bill of law, right? Then after this rough draft or outline, this draft proposal is processed or undergoes through the following process. In it, the first reading, the minister of the concerned department, ministry or member of the parliament present the bill and briefly explains its structure while presenting it. This is called as first reading. So it is important. What is first reading? The minister of concerned department, suppose it is of forest department, it is of educational department, it is of we can say the agriculture department, then the particular minister has to present this bill and briefly explain its structure while presenting it. This is called the first bill. The particular minister or the member of the particular department has to present the bill briefly, and he also has to explain its structure while presenting it. This is called as first reading, right? Now second reading. In it there are two stages of second reading. In the first stage, the objectives of the proposed bill are discussed and members in the house express their opinion on it. Students, in the first we learn the concerned department members or minister has to present and has to explain the bill. Now in the second reading there are the two stages. In the first stage, what is the objectives of the particular bill, of the proposed bill? What is the intention of the bill that are discussed, and members in the house express their opinions on it. Maybe of opposite party, of the running administration party, the members will take the part in the discussion and they will express their opinion on it. On it means on the particular bill the minister has explained. The supporters of the bill give favorable opinions while the opponents discuss the defects and faults in it. Now here in the second reading, the supporters of the particular bill, they will support it, they will give their opinions in the favor of the particular bill. But if the member is not happy with that, or they are against that, opponents means they are not agree with the particular bill, this will discuss the defects and faults in the bill. Is the supporters, they will give the favorable opinions, and the opponents, they will discuss the defects and faults in the bill. After the discussion within the house, as per the requirement, the bill is sent to a committee of the house. Now it's the third stage. After the discussion in the house, as per the requirement, if it is required, As per the requirement, the bill is sent to a committee of the house. The committee report consisting of instructions and recommendation is sent to the house in order to make the bill flawless, right? Means when this bill will send to the committee, then the committee will study it, or the committee reports consisting of instructions. If they need any changes in it, they will note it, or they will guide. And recommendation, what is the means the committee will show some new messages in it, or the committee reports, or committee can show some instruction and recommendation to the house in order to make bill flawless. Now the second phase of the second reading begins. In this phase, the bill is discussed clause by clause. Members can suggest changes after this voting is taken in the house. So it is the process, and in the second phase of the second reading, the reading begins. And in this phase, it is important, the member or the person who has explained this bill, he or she has to discuss clause by clause. Every clause they has to read, or they has to discuss with the other members. Then the other members can suggest changes in it. Other members can suggest changes in it. And after this process, after this long process, there will be the voting on it, and voting will be taken in the house. It is about the second reading.